Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start today's trading session, I want to share something very important. Successful trading is not just about finding the perfect indicator. It requires patience, consistency, discipline, emotional control, and a calm mindset. The market rewards traders who stay focused, follow their strategy, and avoid emotional decisions. Now let's talk about today's indicator. The fractal chaos band indicator is a trend-following indicator based on Bill Williams' fractal theory. It helps traders identify the current market structure by creating dynamic upper and lower bands using the most recent fractal highs and fractal lows. These bands highlight important support and resistance levels, making it easier to recognize potential breakout zones and the overall market direction. When the price breaks above the upper band, it usually signals strong bullish momentum and a possible buy opportunity. When the price breaks below the lower band, it indicates bearish momentum and may provide a sell opportunity. One of the biggest advantages of this indicator is that it filters market noise and helps traders stay with the trend instead of reacting to every small price movement. However, like every professional trading tool, the fractal chaos band indicator should always be used together with proper risk management and market confirmation before entering any trade. Now let's move to the live trading session. Here is my real trading account. As you can see, this is not a demo account. The balance and trading history are completely real. Now let's add our fractal chaos band indicator to the chart. The indicator is now active. I am selected the USD CAD currency pair. According to the current market structure, the indicator is giving us a buy signal. So I'm placing my buy trade now. Let's wait for the result. And there we go. First trade is a win. That's exactly how we follow the indicator, with discipline instead of guessing the market direction. Now let's move to another trading opportunity. This time I'm selecting the EUR USD currency pair. The indicator has analyzed the market again. It is showing a sell opportunity. I'm placing the sell trade now. Let's see the outcome. Our second trade is also a win. This demonstrates how the fractal chaos band indicator can help traders identify high probability entries when used correctly. I hope you now understand how this indicator works and how to use it step by step in real market conditions. As you can see, all these trades were placed on my real trading account. If you also want to receive free daily trading signals and improve your trading performance, make sure to join our free Telegram channel. The link is available in the video description.